Hello. I choose joy. Today, I am so excited. I found lion's mane in your DeKalb's Farmers Market. I was so excited. I brought it home, and today I am going to make pho with my lion's mane. It is going to be a meat replacement, and we're going to see how it does. Whoa, let's go. Look at that golden brown and delicious. Pho with lion's mane mushroom. Make sure I get some lion's mane in there. Oh my goodness. That is really delicious. That lion's mane has a texture of meat. And I love mushrooms anyway, so it is doggone delicious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tell others about this channel. Why? Because we're spreading joy around here. We're eating lion's mane for a meat substitute, pho, and what could get any better than that? Bye. Happy eating.